Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. In our last video, we explored the magic of Figma with frames, groups, and object editing. In today's video, I have something fun and interactive for you, a hands-on assignment that will test your skills and creativity. So, what exactly is a wireframe? Think of it as a blueprint of your web page, a simple black and white skeleton that maps out the structure of your design before adding any colors, images, or any fancy details. It is the first step in bringing your ideas to life. మీ ఛాలెంజ్ ఏంటంటే డిజైన్ ఏ వైర్ ఫ్రేమ్ ఫర్ ఎనీ వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్ ఇన్ ఫిగ్మా ఆర్ సేమ్ నేను చేసిన అప్లికేషన్ అయినా చేయండి కానీ ద అప్లికేషన్ కన్సిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ 4 మెయిన్ పేజెస్. ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసి హోమ్ పేజ్, a vibrant landing page showcasing your icon or branding name and menu highlights. Next వచ్చేసి restaurant details page, a detailed view of menu items, description and pricing. Next వచ్చేసి checkout page, a streamlined interface for placing orders. Final గా ఒక confirmation page, a simple page for confirming the order details. Your task is to study these screenshots carefully and recreate these pages as wireframes in Figma. This is a great opportunity to practice structuring layouts, managing content hierarchy, and working with placeholders for text, images, and buttons. I will be sharing detailed screenshot of these wireframes in the description box below. Use them as a reference to complete the assignment. Take your time and remember, wireframing is all about getting the structure right before moving on to the design phase. Once you have completed your wireframe, share it with me. You can tag me on LinkedIn or post it in the comments with a link to your project or email me your work. I'll be featuring some of your submissions in the next video, so don't forget to share. This is a great opportunity to practice and showcase your skills. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll help you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and interactive tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video. Until happy designing.